problems you may have. Please respect all our staff. No one should have to tolerate threatening or abusive behaviour whilst doing their job. Let's work together to keep everyone safe.
Service to Uckfield, calling at East Croydon, Oxley, Hurst Green, Inner Bridge Town, Cleaver, Cowden, Ashurst, Herridge, Crowborough, Oxley, and Uckfield. This train has 6 coaches. Platform 10 for the 1607 Southern service to Uckfield. Platform 12 for the 1558 Southern service to London Victoria via Crystal Palace. Calling at New Cross Gate, Brockley, Honour Park, Forest Hill, Sydney, Crystal Palace, Gypsy Hill, West Croydon, Streatham Hill, Allen, Wandsworth Common, Clapham Junction, Battersea Park, and London Victoria. This train has 4 coaches. The train at platform 13 is the 1555 Southern service to Epsom, calling at Norwood Junction, West Croydon, Waddington, Carshalton Beaches, Sutton, Cheney, Ewell East and Epsom. This train has 4 coaches. Platform 13 for the 1555 Southern service to Epsom. The train at platform 15 is the 1601 Southern service to East Croydon via Tulse Hill, calling at South Bermondsey, Queen's Road, Peckham Rye, East Dulwich, North Dulwich, Tulse Hill, Streatham Common, Norbury, Thornton Heath, Selhurst and East Croydon. This train has 6 coaches. Platform 15 for the 1601 Southern service to East Croydon via Tulse Hill. maintain for the 1607.